Hi friends, welcome back. So here is a dark, sexy, sultry look. It'll be great for like date night or a night out on the town. It's dark, but you still have a lot of color in it, so kind of fun. It's super easy still, so keep on watching if you want to see how I got this look. So I actually already did my foundation and eyebrows so that we can just make this video a little bit shorter. So I'm going to jump on in with my MAC Painterly Paint Pot eye primer. Now that that's done, I might just zoom you in a little bit. Ooh, hello, close-up of my head. I'm going to start with the James Charles Morphe palette. It has all these colors in it. I'm going to start by going in with this shade right here. I'm just lightly feathering that out so that once I do go back in to blend everything, it's already a smooth transition to start. That's just easiest for me. Okay, and then I'm going to go back in with that same shade on a smaller brush. This is the Morphe M505 brush, and I'm just going to start packing it on a little bit heavier. So I realized that there's a lot of people on here that don't know me, so I thought I would give you a little background on me. So I live in Colorado. I'm a makeup artist here. I've been doing makeup for about 5 years now. I do bridal makeup, prom, self-portraits. I've done a few fashion shows. It's a little hard to do that here in Colorado. It's not, especially I'm in Colorado Springs, and it's definitely not the best market for that. And I just absolutely love makeup. I've gotten a few comments of people saying I'm insecure and that's why I have to wear so much makeup, which I am insecure, but that is not why I wear so much makeup. I truly, absolutely love it. My makeup almost always matches how I'm feeling for the day. And I just keep on going back in with that same shade until I have it worked up to the darkness that I want it to be. Okay, so I'm gonna go, let's see, what shade should we do? I do want to make this even darker, so I'm gonna go in with this right here, dark purple, or dark brown. Still learning my colors. Dark brown shade, and darken it up even more. But I've always said with makeup, if you enjoy putting it on, it makes you happy, do it. If it's a task for you, if it's tedious, if it stresses you out, don't do it. I get a lot of questions about like, where are you from? Because a lot of people in Colorado Springs do not wear anywhere near this amount of makeup, but it's something I love and I'm not going to stop just because people are more natural here, because I absolutely love it. Okay, what else can I say about me? This is hard to just sit here and talk about myself. I feel like I'm interviewing. But I also have a 1-year-old. He is the cutest little bug in the entire world. Seriously, he's precious. I'm obsessed with him. He's napping right now. That's why I can get this makeup look in. I'm so blessed to have an awesome sleeper, so I get a few good hours in the day where I can just get some stuff done, play around. With COVID, all of my April weddings are canceled or postponed, and then we had some in March and then also in May too, so I have a lot more free time right now. So I work with a group of makeup artists in Colorado Springs, in Castle Rock, and Denver, and then we also have hairstylists too, so that way we can do hair and makeup for people on location for their weddings, and we have enough stuff where we can make it go faster, which is helpful for the brides, I think. I'm feeling ready to go in with my concealer. This is the Shape Tape in light medium sand. And then I'm just taking this little tiny brush, dabbing it onto the head of my concealer brush, and then I'm just gonna do kind of a glob of concealer right there, and then look up. And so where that line just went to is where I'm gonna bring the concealer up to. My eyes are set really far back in my head, so I actually don't have the best eyes for makeup, which is funny, because you can't always see my eyeshadow very well. So if you see pictures of me looking down, it's because you can't always see my eyeshadow unless I bring it up really high, but this is kind of a good way to measure how high you need to bring up that lid shadow so that it's still able to be seen. You can see what that looks like. That's just gonna make our next eyeshadow really pop. I think I'm gonna try this gold shade right here. I'll link all the names of these shades down below, but I don't have the insert anymore, so I don't know the exact names. So this is a very glittery gold color. We'll see what it looks like. I've never used it. You guys have to give me some feedback because I'm filming on a camera today instead of my iPhone. I've had this camera for a little bit, but it overheats, and so if I am filming for too long, so hopefully I can just go fast. Oh yeah, this is cute. Okay, now I'm going back in with this brush. See, it is a Morphe M433, and then I'm going to take that mauve color again because we might not have gotten it the gold perfect. I went to college at UCCS in Colorado Springs. I got my degree in communications, and I used that to do PR for a little bit, and then I went into the banking world. I'm also married. My husband does home loans, and so I went and worked with him for a few years. And now I'm just doing makeup full time, being a mom, being extra. It's a lot of time. Okay. Just kidding. Alright, we're just gonna try and do some eyeliner. This is the Benefit Roller Lash Eyeliner in black. I'm gonna do my concealer really fast. Oh, light medium, that's too late. I did a little self-tanner today. Hopefully it looks okay. I think it looks good. I'm so tired of being white, but I normally like to get spray tans, actually. I try not to actually tan in the sun unless I have to, but I mean, when do you have to tan in the sun? It's dumb. I'm actually gonna use a beauty blender this time, and I'm gonna spray my beauty blender. This is no different than any other video. Still forever gonna set with the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder under my eyes till I die. Hopefully they'll have a better product by then, actually. Okay, I'm setting my face with the MAC NC25 powder. My camera was just using overheated. I said that earlier. I was like, I don't know if it's gonna work. Okay, I'm going with the Kylie, let's see, Tanned and Gorgeous bronzer. I like this bronzer. It is so inexpensive. I've heard some people say it's patchy. I think it depends on what foundation I have underneath. I have had it be patchy on me, but if I use the right, usually if I set my foundation with powder, it works a lot better. That's the thing about products. I feel like a lot of times people are like, this product sucks, but are you using it the right way? If you have products that you don't love, you might want to try using it a different way, because everything's meant to be used a certain way, and so you might get more wear out of products that you didn't like if you try doing it a certain way. So for instance, some bronzer, you just do your foundation, don't set this cheek part with powder, and go straight in to your bronzer, and then you can powder like around the bronzer, but it's made to go right onto the wet foundation. So I'm gonna go back in and take that mauve color again and go hit my under eyes with it. Okay, I'm about to put some dramatic ass lashes on right now. Look at these. Let your glue dry, that's another trick. So while it's drying, let me do blush. I'm gonna do the MAC Stay Pretty. This is the blush I always use on my brides. It's so timeless. I'm a freak, I can't use tweezers, so I just have to do this with my finger. Okay, there's one eye. See what a difference a lash makes? Let me do the other one, I'll be right back. Okay, I wanna go in with that oldie but goodie. This is the Nicole Guerrero Anastasia Beverly Hills. One shade dyed. But let's do the Glow Getter. I can never pronounce that one. So seriously, stop what you're doing right now and comment down below which footage you like better so you can lead me on the right path. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm doing over here. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Infallible liner and line my bottom. Yay! What should we do for lips? I always do a nude lip. I'm thinking trying something darker today. Today's the day. I'm gonna do it. Going in with Kylie Jenner Velvet Liquid Lipstick in Poison Berry. I like the velvet liquid lipsticks because they're not as drying for me. Oh no, I can't. I almost just took a drink out of my drink with wet lipstick. That would have been so dumb. Okay guys, so I think this is the final look. It's super dramatic, but so fun. This will be great for like a date night, night out. Who knows when we're gonna have one of those again. I have a FaceTime date with my friend tonight. I'm gonna look a little extra. I love it. So pretty. Thanks for sitting through another tutorial with me. It was so fun. Alright guys, have a great night. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.